So look how exciting this is. This is off our current building right there, 5th grade classrooms, a hallway to our outside, but this is our whole new 13 classroom addition, and it is basically all bricked on the outside, which is so exciting. Look how awesome that looks. So windows are coming next, and then they are also going to be beginning to do some drywalling on the inside of our new addition. Okay, I am now on the inside of our new addition. Through that wooden wall would be an exit to the outside of our new addition and out to what will eventually be our new playground. You can see there's some stairs here. We also then have our handicapped accessible ramp that they are working on. If I go this way, you will see our hallway to our previous building. As I walk down the ramp into our new 13 classroom addition, it should look a little bit different than the last time we videotaped. Out these doors will eventually be our car rider line, pick up and drop off. And then down here, oh, here we'll say hi. Here is Tim, all right, our project site manager, always making sure everybody's doing what they need to be doing. But here's our hallway of our 13 classroom addition. You can see they're putting up some drywall. This would be our boys and girls restroom, so they're making some progress with all of that, which is exciting. Again, as I walk down this hallway, we're gonna step into a classroom. You'll see some drywall again. So here is one of our future classrooms. Nice big windows there, nice size classroom. As we come back out into the hallway, you'll see that these students' lockers will be on the bottom part of the halls here on both sides, which is exciting. And of course, all the mechanical, technical stuff that I really am still all learning about, but it is all exciting and everything seems to be falling into place for all of our new addition. Okay, I am in the new addition inside our new 13 classroom addition, and should be able to notice some difference. They are hanging drywall. They are going to start taping the drywall shortly, which is very exciting. Coming through the hallway here in one direction. Student lockers will be down below here, all along our hallway walls, which is very exciting. We've got our sprinkler systems installed up there, our electrical, all the other plumbing, hot and cold water. So things are really progressing, and to be honest, probably by the next video or newsletter that we send out, you will really start to see the classrooms looking like classrooms. So here's just an example of another room where they're starting to hang the drywall. So pretty exciting stuff.